we are going to talk about how to find the derivative of sine x using delta process. And we are going to explain everything in details. So as you can see, we have f of x equals sine x. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So we are going to prove that the derivative of sine x is cosine x using delta process. Since we have f of x, which is sine x, and then let us have here f of x plus h, and that is sine x plus h. So this will give us f of x equals limit of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. So let us write the limit as h approaches 0, and f of x plus h, that is sine x plus h minus f of x, that is sine x all over h. Since we have sine x plus h, it will give us the idea that we are going to use the sum identity. So let us have limit h approaches 0, the sum identity of sine x plus h, that is sine x cosine h plus cosine x sine h, and then let us write sine x all over h. So again, let us write limit as h approaches 0. So let us write sine x cosine h, and then minus sine x plus cosine x sine h all over h. So let us have limit h approaches 0. Since we have sine x in common, let us factor this one. Let us have sine x cosine h divided by sine x, that is cosine h, and then negative sine x divided by sine x is negative 1, and then let us write cosine x sine h all over h. And to simplify, let us have limit, and let us write cosine h minus 1 as negative 1 plus cosine h, and let us write sine x h approaches 0 plus cosine x sine h all over h. Since we all know that the limit of 1 minus cosine x all over x as x approaches 0 is equal to 0, let us write negative 1 plus cosine h in this particular form. So let us have here limit h approaches 0. Let us have negative sine x 1 minus cosine h. So as you can see, we have negative sign. Negative times 1 is negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. And then let us write cosine x sine h all over h. Therefore, let us have here limit of h approaches 0, negative sine x times 1 minus cosine h all over h plus limit of cosine x sine h all over h as h approaches 0. And to simplify this one, let us have negative sine x times limit of 1 minus cosine h over h as h approaches 0 plus cosine x times limit of sine h over h approaches 0. So let us have here negative sine x The limit of 1 minus cosine h all over h as h approaches 0, that is 0, plus cosine x. The limit of sine h over h as h approaches 0, that is 1. So we have here negative sine x multiplied by 0, that is 0, plus cosine x times 1, that is cosine x. So 0 plus cosine x, that is cosine x. So therefore, we prove that the derivative of sine x is cosine x. So I hope you've learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us all.